It's the flu season again. Do you often hear the sound of a cold and cough in public places such as schools, offices, hospitals, etc.? It is because your office area needs to be sterilized. So what products can protect everyone's health without affecting our daily life? That is, the air conditioner air purification UV germicidal lamp. How to sterilize this? Don't underestimate this UV germicidal lamp. It is called an induction UV lamp. It only takes 0.36 seconds to kill Escherichia coli in the AC ventilation duct, and only 0.41 seconds to kill various bacteria and viruses. It just makes you feel incredible. You can't believe it. These are data tested. This germicidal lamp can be installed at the AC outlet or air inlet of the AC, and it can kill bacteria and viruses from outside or in the pipeline. No additional chemical additives will be produced during the entire disinfection process, which is environmentally friendly and pollution-free, providing all-round protection for your health. If it has not been implemented in your company, it is simply a mistake. Hurry up and ask your boss to arrange it, so that you can work with confidence.